Good morning to you all. We have already completed our experiments for final B.Sc, but still most of the students might have forgotten it. So if they can have a look at it through this video, it may be of great help. So as a total we have 8 experiments, of which 3 are coming from microcontroller experiments, one quantum one-box experiment, one quantum multi-box experiment, and the remaining are all hardware experiments. In this hardware experiment, let me explain one experiment which can be a reminder to students. The circuit diagram is as shown here. We have an op-amp and 3 RC networks. So we have to build up the circuit, and the output should be fed to the CRO. You can see a CRO here with both channels, and as soon as you feed it, you are supposed to get this wave, a sine wave. If you don't get it, something in the circuit there may be wrong, or your DRB might not have got that correct tuning. All these things might happen. So now going into the practical side of it, we have to insert in this IC board. There are 2 parts of it. We have an IC socket here, and we have RC networks here. So RC networks, it is very simple. We can take a capacitor, a 560 ohm, another one 560, and a capacitor 0.22 microfarad. There is another 0.22 microfarad and a capacitor. See that you make connections according to our circuit diagram and create a common ground. The ground is taken at a point on the spring board. Going to the IC socket, we use connection terminals 2, 3, 4, 7 and 6. So in that order, connections if you make, going to the connection 2, connection number 2 is given to the RC network. The same connection is also going to the DRB, and from the DRB it goes to the RC network other side, and 4 and 7 are the bias connections. So based on this, the connection is complete. Now let us try with the circuit. If I switch on the circuit and see that both channels are available for the CRO, we have both channels available. I have selected channel number 1 for this particular experiment. There is no condition that you should use channel number 1 itself. We can go to channel 2 also. So let us try with channel number 1. Channel number 1 is displayed here. The moment I switch on, you should get a sine wave. I got a sine wave here. It's a tampered sine wave. It has to be made a bit more shape of a sine wave, which I am showing in this manual. So for that, you have to use this DRB. If you tune that, see how the jump is coming. Again, if I give, it is more change. Still that some clippings are there. We can remove that clippings slowly, like this. It is slowly created to a perfect sine wave. Now it has become a perfect sine wave. You can reduce the amplitude as well as on the CRO. The phase also I have changed. Amplitude I can change on increase. Now it is increased. I will decrease it. Now you have to make the calculation. Going into the first trial, the tuned value of the DRB, you have to write what is happening here. Here it has come to around 3000 ohm. This has got tuned. Now going to the resistance, what resistance I have selected here, the next column, it is of 560 ohm common and a 0.2 microfarad. Theoretically, using this formula, you have to calculate it 0.065 by R into C. This value of R and this value of C, you substitute here, you will get a value. After getting this value, the theoretical value right here, go to the practical from the CRO. For that, what you do is, you place the wave horizontal peak to peak. How it has to be clamped. Just have a look at it. See, this is the peak. Horizontal distance between these 2 peaks. If you take this and you multiply with the multiplier, you will get the time. Take the reciprocal, you will get the practical value. This practical value should match with the theoretical value. And most probably it will match within plus or minus 25 kilohertz. In that difference it will come. Sorry, not kilohertz, it is hertz only. So if it happens, your experiment is conducted successfully. Most of the time, our students find difficulty in this RC network. That's why again I give an instruction to my students that they should take care that first make the choice of the resistance which you are going to take. See, like this you have to take 1K combination, 620 combination, 2K combination. Anything less than 1K will be always nice. 220 ohm also is selected. So that is one point where they may go wrong. And look, you get a proper IC. See, this IC is working. I kept 4 ICs. If you see that if the IC is not working, they have to keep on changing it. And the tuning part. So if this op-amp connections are correct and the RC network is correct, as soon as you switch on, you will get the sine wave. A tampered sine wave will come. Slowly you have to make the tuning and the sine wave will become a perfect sine wave. This is what you can do. For any assistance, you can call me and get clarified. Okay? Thank you.